This is the prayer section of the graduation ceremony of Mr. Kareem Ifajolade under Oba Fakayode, Faluade and Nikinikun, the Olu of Ibogun Owu Kingdom, who is the president and the founder of Ifá Olókùn Institute at Ajigbotifa Temple Ltd headquarters, Ewupe, Ota, Ogun State. The program, which have in attendance many prominent Ifá priests in Sango and across Egbaland, Chief Ajani Olurebi, the Oluwo of Sango, Chief Asa Kolawole, the Amukiro of Ibogun Owu Kingdom, Chief Fayenka, the Oluwo of Ibogun Owu Kingdom, Chief Latif, who is also a product of Ifá Olókùn Institute and Ajigbotifa Temple Ltd. Also, Olori Anifat Faluade, among other well-wishers, including the friends and family of the graduates. The program started with cultural display from other students, Ifá couples recitation and many other performances. After this, Oba Fakayode Faluade blessed the graduates and handed him some Ifá tools and certificates. He also presents the celebrants a brand new car as gift. This prayer section ended with photograph as some students of Ifá Olókùn Institute and some invitees had photo section with the president and the founder of Ifá Olókùn Institute in person of Oba Fakayode, Faluade and Nikinikun.